Welcome to Meaningful Miles with Dr. V. This is Canada Decoded. This series is where I explain Canadian money and financial concepts in plain English. No jargon, no confusion. Just like I'm explaining to a 5-year-old. Simple explanations that make sense. If someone asks you today, what is your credit score? Would you confidently answer? Or would you smile and secretly hope that they change the topic? Don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what a credit score is, you'll also understand why it matters and how to answer that question confidently, even not to someone, but to yourself. So first question, what is credit score? So just imagine this. You have someone, you have a friend, and every time that friend is asked or asks someone to borrow them money, they always pay you back on time. Would you trust that friend? Probably yes. Now imagine another friend of yours who would always ask you for money, but never pays back. Will not pay you back, will not pay people back, or maybe pays little, pay late, or just disappears whenever it's time to pay. If it's time to lend money, who would you lend money? Would you lend the first friend or the second friend? That is exactly what a credit score is. It's simply a number that tells banks and lenders how trustworthy you've been with borrowed money. Now you may be thinking, I don't like borrowing money, so why should I be bothered about this conversation Vera is having? That's a fair question. Well, the reason you should care is simple. In Canada, your credit score can affect many financial opportunities. When you apply for a credit card, a mortgage, or sometimes even a rental application, organizations may look at your credit history to be able to assess your financial reliability. So they may look at this to check how financially responsible you are. Okay, how do you build one? This is the part many newcomers struggle with. You don't build credit by keeping your credit card locked away. A client had told me this before. She's had credit card and she never used it. You build credit card by using it responsibly. For example, let's say you buy your groceries, you fill up your gas tank, or you pay for your everyday expenses with your credit card. Then, just before the due date, you pay the full balance. Or even maybe some days after, weeks after, but before the due date, just make sure you pay the full balance. You repeat that cycle month after month. You are showing that you can borrow money and repay it responsibly. Here are 3 mistakes to avoid in all of this. Number 1, missing your payments. Now, you would miss payments if you buy things that you really, or you expend on things that you cannot afford. So make sure you're not missing your payments. You're always paying on time. Number 2, maxing out your credit card. Just because your card has a high limit doesn't mean you should spend it all. Don't use more than, the advice is don't use more than 30% of your credit limit. Number 3, applying for too many credit cards in a short period. In fact, applying for too many credit cards at all, for me, is a no-no. Take your time and apply only when it makes sense for you to have one. In all that I have said, what should you do today? If you're new to Canada, here is your homework. Get your pen and write this homework. You know I'm a teacher. If you're eligible, consider getting a credit card that fits your needs. That's your number 1 homework. Use it for your regular spending. Remember, spend for only what you can afford. Pay it in full every month and be patient. A strong credit history is not built overnight. It grows through consistent, responsible habits. So the word is consistent, the word is responsible, and of course, habits. So today we've answered 3 questions. What is your credit score? Why does it matter? And how to build one. In our next episode of Canada Decoded, we're going to answer another question that confuses a lot of newcomers, and that is the tax-free savings account, TFSA. And what exactly is a TFSA and why does everyone keep talking about it? If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Meaningful Miles with Dr. V, where we make Canadian money and financial concepts simple, practical, and easy to understand. Here's my 1-minute summary. Credit score is simply your financial reputation. Build it by borrowing responsibly. Pay your bills on time. Don't max out your credit cards. Be consistent and responsible. That's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for any Canadian newcomer. I've seen quite a number of people who are not newcomers, but they still mix up these little things. So guys, you want to share this to that person that you care for or anyone that you care for. You want them to make good decisions and all of that. All right, thank you, and I'll see you in the next mail.